Yeah, so starting with the structure of a program, it was quite a nice experience. At the same time, it was a learning experience for us because with each round, we were learning something out of it. And as we progressed through the event, through the various rounds, we were able to grow as an individual and as a team. So that is what has helped us in this throughout the event. And as we are into the national finals, we have learned a lot and we have grown a lot, and we are still looking forward to learn more. So it started last year, in the last quarter of last year, and it was like a registration. Then there were several rounds like video submission, questionnaires, and all. So that we have submitted. Then there was a grand semi-finals that held recently, and there we stood out, and there were 6 teams that were selected for the national finals, and we all 6 teams we competed well in this national finals, and every team was very basically very knowledgeable, and from their background they were very great on the same. So we received a mentorship in between that helped us in sharpening the presentation and the approaches that we are going to present and how we are going to present. So that was a help that was provided to us by the KPMG team. So it was like with each phase we were growing and we were learning and we were improving upon what we are here to provide to the society. So that is how it went. And in the national finals, it was 6 teams that was competing for first 2 places. So we stood among the first. So we were very grateful for this opportunity that was provided to us by KPMG team. Sure. So it started like the problem that we were trying to solve. So we see it in everyday life, but we don't think of it of how we can solve it. So it's for the special individuals and with a special need, with a disability. So that particular thing we used to see, we thought of how we can help them. So we started with few of the basic approaches of how we can help them with the technology education that we are receiving, and using that technology education, how we can impact the society. So we started working on this aspect, and we learned about it, we developed our skills and worked more upon it. Now how it started is basically by failing. We have failed in several approaches, and after failing in each approaches we were learning more, and finally we were able to come up with this particular solution that we have presented. So it was a gradual process of starting it, of validating of what we are doing. Is it actually a need for an individual that we are providing a solution for? So we validated the same first. We came up with several approaches of how we can help them. We failed in maximum of them, and we succeeded in one of them. And that is what we represented, and that is what helped us win this KPMG ideation challenge. So we all three have been this through this process, and it has been a rigorous process that we have followed for this event, and we have worked hard for the same as well.
So talking about the Q&A part, so as the pitch was over, the part was like about the more kind of technological aspects. It was a kind of technological focus, and at the same time, the approach about the technology and how innovative it is. Now, innovation is almost what kind of problem you're solving, but with the help of the technology and about its feasibility and how it works. So basically, it all revolves around what is the uniqueness in our technology as compared to the global competitor we are having, So the question here were around the Q&As which they asked during the Q&A session was around only that part about the technological aspect, and then comes the pricing and affordability structure, considering the innovation and accessibility in mind.
Certainly, the judges were quite experienced in their domain. So it was like we were trying to explain them, but they already had a lot of experience in this particular domain. So we were quite nervous as well because we were trying to pitch in front of some individual who has already has experience of 30 years, 20 years in this specific domain. So it was quite a nervy moment for us as well, presenting to the judge. But they were at the same time quite helpful and considerate, and they were trying to understand what we are trying to explain. So we weren't that good in that explaining part, but they were like trying to understand better way, and they were trying to give us a lot of feedback on the same as well, in accordance to the experience they have.
So the thing is, whatever competitions we have done earlier, that is completely different. So currently, the KIC is focusing on the exact innovation and also they are focusing on like what are the challenges and what are the problems current India is facing, or they are actually how we can just solve those problems. So that's what we wanted to like work on, one of the challenges which currently India is focusing on. That's why KIC is different from any other competitions.
We also, as an individual and as a student, it was a nervous moment for us and it was a learning experience for us. So what I want to suggest is keep everything simple, and whatever you have validated of on whatever you have understanding of the market, use it into the presentation, and listen more to the individual. So listening is something that is very important. And when we talk about customers or the market that we want to impact with this particular solution, or for whoever we want to make this solution for, we need to know the current status of them and what they are facing, what actually the problem is, and the problem validation is quite important. And once we are through this basic process, then we can go forward to make our presentation well and do the mentorship part. So the first, it start with validation and whatever basic knowledge we have, so it needs to be validated. So that is the important part. And next is keep everything very simple and crisp. We don't need to add like hundreds of slides. You need a 10 slides that is crisp and that is on target and specific to what you want to provide to the individuals who are the user, who will be users for yours.
So basically, I'm a firm believer of innovation is what keeps you as a leader, And apart from that, as Sinma said, if that innovation is simpler enough, it can solve. It can actually, like, I'll not say solve, but it can actually impact millions of lives, and those people who are like suffering in day to day life in their problem, So yes, surely keep innovating things, make it simple, and just know that you have to solve that particular problem the people are facing, Just focus on that, guys.
I would just suggest that everyone should be the proactive people in their group. Whosoever you are choosing in your group, make sure that the person should be proactive, and in different areas they will be getting like whatever the, whenever you are choosing a team, make sure that your participants or your team members should have their own unique capabilities and their interest area, so that you are able to get all the like whatever the areas you are focusing on, that can be even much more simpler because of your team.